Yes, sir. What's up? Welcome to a day in the life. Just hopped on the charts, or not just hopped on the charts like 30 minutes ago. But yeah, first draw on liquidity met on here. Let's see if it's gonna get met here. Overall, really easy draw on liquidity today. Really obvious where price wanted to go, and I'll show you guys the pre-market analysis right now. Yo, what's up, everybody in the Vantage group and the inner circle? I wanted to give you guys like kind of a pre-market analysis because I usually do type it out, but I was like, let's see how it goes by just saying like my pre-market out loud, you know what I mean? And just so you guys can maybe better understand what I'm looking for going into the day. So yeah, I'm gonna make this video real quick, real short. Doesn't need to be a long video. And yeah, so obviously right now it's almost 9 a.m. and today for me is a clearly really clear bullish day on both the Dow and NQ. If you firstly look at NQ, we had a really huge sell-off yesterday. So obviously, going into today, I am anticipating that we are going to rebalance at least to 50% of the range that we made yesterday. And if you simply just look at the daily profile, London got a huge move to the upside. And just I'm expecting a near continuation. And as you can see, we already started kind of that continuation move in the pre-market coming off of this hourly fair value gap and this internal sweep of this hourly low. So again, I'm just anticipating higher prices to the draw on liquidity. My draws will be at least this London high. And then looking at the 4-hour, there isn't really a clear draw. Looking at the 4-hour, there isn't a clear draw besides all the way up here to the volume imbalance, and I'm not sure if we want to really go for that. It depends how much the market wants to move today, but it's definitely somewhere we could go. It aligns with the -2 or I'm pretty sure it's a -2 standard deviation. So we could definitely go there if the market is willing to, but the first main draw will definitely be the London highs, and then maybe these internal highs right here, and maybe yesterday's London high also. But we'll see. We'll see what price does. Okay, obviously the structure is looking bullish. Everything is looking bullish. So I don't see a reasoning for price to go lower as of now until the draws on liquidity have been met. Okay, so that was NQ, and YM is looking really similar. So not a big difference between YM and NQ. Okay, bullish structure, expecting higher prices to the next draw on liquidity, which is at least London highs, and we'll see what price does after that. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed kind of this pre-market analysis of the 22nd of April on Tuesday. Okay, we do have orange folder at 10 a.m. So we will have to kind of watch out for that, but I'm not really that worried. And yeah, let's see how the day goes, and I'll see you guys later. And yeah, so after that, I'm sure you know why, it was so clear that we wanted to go higher, but obviously as of now, because I do usually trade pre-market, but I have noticed April has offered less high probability setups in the pre-market. So right now I'm sticking to like trading only after 9:30 until I see like that the pre-market has improved, and it's good again like March. But yeah, let's see if there's any trades for today, and let's see if we can find anything towards the draw. Yes, sir. What did I tell you guys, bro? Easy fucking longs today, bro. Such a clear draw higher. As you can see right here. Boop. Close above. Stop below this low. Really clean. 2-1. Was perfectly aligned with a previous London high. So just perfect TP, and just wow, bro. Shit just went to my TP like that. Proof of execution. Also took it on my Forex accounts. Just really good day, and really proud of my analysis and just the way of executing. Today I did everything perfectly, and we're done for the day before 10 a.m. Let's go to the fucking gym. Yes, sir. Even though I wasn't supposed to, I was supposed to record one day in the life, but I forgot to record the rest of the day yesterday. But anyways, today is the next day, and we caught another winning trade today. Today we caught longs on YM. Yesterday we caught longs on NQ. Today we caught the longs. Almost the same exact setup, but on YM. Prices pumped in one candle, and this wasn't even news, guys. Like this big ass candle right here that hit my TP wasn't even fucking news. Like prices pumped out of nowhere. Really clear trade All of the students took it. As you can see, my students also took this trade. Mark took the trade after. He took the trade, the same trade as me, but waited for a better entry. I took a little bit of a higher entry. He also took the same trade. Just really good trade today. As you can see right here, literally, we had our first call yesterday, bro. This is one of my newest students. We had our first call yesterday, and you know, one of his main problems was his psychology and stuff. And we just had a nice, you know, one-on-one call yesterday, and I helped him fix, you know, some of his psychology problems, etc. And literally had our first call yesterday evening, bro. And he already took a win today simply because of the lessons that I taught him, and just, you know, the things that I told him to help him fix his psychology and just kind of shift his, you know, way of thinking. And yeah, so today he already took a winning trade. He took a win on, he took a trade on NQ. He took a win on NQ, as you can see right here. Just a beautiful long, and just he wasn't scared of taking it, because one of his struggles was that he was scared of taking trades, and he capitalized on it. And as you can see, this is how quick you could see progress in trading, simply by making the small changes. Like usually it's not like the big things, like, you know, people think like your strategy and stuff like that. It's really just the small things, and just not having FOMO, you know, not over trading, not hesitating when you do see your setup, and just staying patient. You know, it's really those small things that, you know, help you succeed. And this guy already saw progress in 1 day. And that's how you see how, you know, the beauty of trading and how quick you can see progress if you simply make little adjustments. Yeah, just finished recording one of my charting sessions, as you guys could see. Had a couple of students in there. They asked some questions. They learned a couple of things. And yeah, obviously today was also, this is a new day, by the way. Today was also a W day, 3 winning days in a row. Haven't had that in a long time. Like 3 consecutive days just winning. But yeah, really clean trade to the upside today. Just clear draw on liquidity, clear bullishness, and manipulation lower at 9:30. And then me and the group and all of the students caught the longs to the upside. So just overall, really nice day. Happy with today, and honestly, just happy with this week. I might be done for this week. I don't know, but yeah. I have a one-on-one call with one of my students. Again, if you do want one-on-one help from me, just DM me trade on Instagram. But I do have a one-on-one call in like 15 minutes with one of my students, and then after that I'm done for the day. That's literally how my day is. And yeah, just a really chill life.